and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad and my metric number is H21A2996. Now I'm going to present about the question for number 1 and number 2. For question number 1, we need to develop the frequency table for Math and English score. For the English score, the sample size is 25. The minimum number is 721 and the maximum number is 486. To find the class-wide, we have to minus the maximum and the minimum entry and then divide it with the number of class. So, 721 minus 486 divided by 6 equal to 14. In the slide, we can see the frequency table for English score. The table contains the class, frequency, percentage frequency and also the cumulative frequency. Next, for the Math score, the sample size is 25. The minimum number is 712 and the maximum number is 552. The class width for Math is 27. After the calculation using the formula of maximum entry minus minimum entry divided by number of class. The frequency table for Math score contain class, frequency, percentage frequency and also the cumulative frequency. Next, question 2 asks us to develop the histogram chart for Math and English score and a pie chart for the gender of study sample. The English score histogram chart use the boundaries and we can see here the highest frequency is 7 and the lowest frequency is 1. Next is the histogram chart for Math score. We can clearly see that the highest frequency is 8 and the lowest frequency is 2. Here is the pie chart for the gender of study sample. 52% of the pie chart is female and 48% is male. That's all from me. Thank you.
Question 3 is about calculating the value of mean, mode, median and standard deviation for English and Math score. Firstly, mean is about the sum of data entries divided by the number of entry. In order to calculate mean for group data, the formula will be total fx value divided with n. For English score, the mean value is 538.88. For Math score, the mean value is 614.68. Secondly, median. Median is the value that lies in the middle of the data when the data set is ordered. The median value for English score is 579.76. For Math score, the median value is 602.8. Mode is about the data entry that occurs with the greatest frequency number. The mode value for English score is 575.5. As for Math score, the mode value is 551.5. Lastly, for standard deviation, the standard deviation is about how much each measurement deviates from the mean. From the calculation, the value of standard deviation for English score is 56.17. As for Math score, the value of standard deviation is 48.47.
Question 4 is about estimate the distribution of high school GPA and computer GPA. Using the test for estimate the normal, right skew or left skew distribution. The shape of distribution can be identified according to the tail extended. If the tail is extended to the right, which means the distribution shape can be identified as right skewed distribution. If the mode is bigger than median and median is bigger than mode, which means the shape of distribution is right skew. However, if the tail extended to left and the mean lower than median and median lower than mode, which means the shape of distribution will be left skewed distribution. In computer GPA, mean is 3.09, median is 80.25, and the mode is 3.83. So the distribution shape is left skewed. As for high school GPA, the mean is 3.04, median is 3.02, and the mode is 2.79. So the shape of distribution for high school is left skewed.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzata Syamilah binti Abdul Khair. My metric number is H21A2914. Next, I will continue explain about question 5. Based on the calculation, the 95% confidence interval for the math score is 594.68 and 634.68. Right? For the English score, it is 515.7 and 562.06. This interval provides a range of value within which we can reasonably expect the population mean to lie. The larger interval, the more uncertain we are about the exact location of the true means. Therefore, the math score have a narrower confidence interval, suggesting greater precision in estimating the mean compared to the English score. Next, I will continue to explain about question C. Based on the scatter plot, compare the university high school GPA to their overall university GPA, it appears that there is a positive relationship between the two variables. As the high school GPA increase, the overall university GPA tend to increase as well. This suggests that students who perform well academically in high school are likely to continue performing well in university. However, it is important to note that there is a general trend. There are still variation in the data point, indicating that other factors may also influence a student university performance.
Hi, my name is Dharni Tamselvam and my metric number is H21A2028. Today I want to explain question 7. So what is the correlation between high school GPA and overall university GPA? So high school GPA and university GPA is correlation is same, 0.849466224. So the correlation between high school GPA and overall university GPA is 0.85, and this correlation is a positive number. So when a value of one variable goes up and the value of another variable tends to up to. Question 8. Did the student have higher overall math SAT scores or English SAT scores? First is you have to know means formula. So value of total numbers per number of total data. So answer of math SAT score is 615.04. Second, English SAT score answer is 585.04. So the total student have higher overall math SAT scores of 615.04 than English SAT scores of 585.0. So the second one is conduct a paired t-test to see if this difference is statistically significant. So the paired t-test is 0.061838955. So the paired t-test value is statistically insignificant since it's greater than 0.05 at 0.06. Thank you.
Hi, my name Nur Ashike binti Abdul Aziz, metric number H21A3010. For question 10, in this equation, the GPA represents the predictive grade point average and the variable 1, variable 2, and variable n represents the independent variable that are believed to influence the GPA. Each variable is multiplied by its respective coefficient, coefficient 1, coefficient 2, and coefficient n, which represent the estimated effect of that variable on the GPA. The constant term is a fixed value that accounts for the baseline or starting point of the GPA when all the independent variables are zero or not considered. For question B, math set score is 0.105 and for English set score is 0.568.